Yes, I think this is the last day Sandra is gonna be in Japan. I don't know. Maybe. I'm just here chilling outside. I was actually drinking a bottle of wine, and I said something just said to me, just do your own thing, Dre, because, like, you know, sometimes you hold back a lot because you want to, you know, be PC, politically correct and stuff. But I decided I'm gonna just, you know, just be real with y'all. I've been real with you, but I'm gonna be real with y'all. Sandra's a really cool chick. I mean, y'all won't know this, but she is like probably, you know, as in like she's really dope. Is in one of the realest YouTubers out there. I mean, she's sweet. She is like, yeah, she works hard too, mad hard to do videos every day. I mean, it's freaking crazy, man. And you know, it made me realize that, you know, it's, you guys think it's really easy. It's not easy being a YouTuber and trying to create content. A lot of times you go through a whole lot of ish trying to come up with something that's funny. And you know what's really sucks sometimes? The videos that they put the most work in hardly gets any, you know, play. But the ones that you say, oh, let me do a random thing, and it's bam, it's like almost, it goes viral. So yeah, I really rate her for her work ethic and stuff. There have been nights when she's been editing all night into the morning, because I don't even sleep. And then there's some guys, there's some Japanese people over there running away across the road. They see me and just cross the road. They just decided that I don't know if you can see them. Maybe, yeah. They're going to karaoke, whatever. So this is going to be an unedited video of me just saying thank you, Sandra, for being there. For all of us, you're going to be sorely missed. I am glad that you're happy. I can see you're happy, and that's what's really truly important. Yeah, I've had a bottle of wine, but I don't care. I'm speaking the truth. And I'm gonna. I never want to do a farewell video for Shane when he's leaving, because he got me started on this YouTube thing, and I'm crazy emo. You know, Shane says, Andre, why are you so emo? That's who I am. I'm an emotional person. I'm passionate, you know. And it's like a pre-goodbye to Shane, too. So I don't know what's going to happen, because when he leaves, no one's going to remember me. He usually, you know, keeps me involved in everything. But one day I'm going to blow up. I'm going to just blow up and just go crazy viral. And it's coming. I feel it. So just got to be patient. So anyone who wants to do YouTube videos, just be true to yourself and do it. That's what Sandra tells me every time I go on one of those rants. Sandra really keeps me in check, yo. Yeah, Shane too, but Sandra, yeah, she's really important. And I haven't really met her in real life, but I mean, she's just totally amazing. And anybody who gets to marry her better be careful, because if you break her heart, we're gonna break you. Yeah. Don't mess with Sandra. We love her. And yes, we're at the 3 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm going to stop in a few seconds, but this is really important. I just got to get it out. One of my, yeah, I just love Sandra. I love her. Yeah, she's just real. She's like an honorary Jamaican. Yeah, rate her them way there. Rate her. And I promise to do more singing in my videos, because, you know, I think I should do more. That's who I am. I am musically inclined, and you do more of the singing and the more dramatic stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna sing this one, Sandra, like a freestyle, made up stuff. I'm not even editing this video. I don't even care if 5 people view it or 15,000 gazillion view it, because, you know, once Sandra sees the video, that's the real purpose. And yeah, so this is really what it's about. So here we go. It's not saying goodbye, but see you later, 'cause I'm gonna see you again, girl. You made an impact in my life, but you are going home. You're going home. You're going home. Sandra is going home. She's going home. She's going home. I wasn't there to hold you when you cried, but it's okay. I felt your pain. I knew that I should try a little harder, babe, but it's okay. You are smiling now, and I'm happy that you're happy now. Make the best of the chances given, 'cause you are special, girl, girl, girl. That's a freestyle. But now singing for Shane. Shane up, can't do Shane. So long till I see you again, Sandra. Till I see you again. Oh, alright. Fix it. So farewell till I see you again. Oh, till I see you again, girl. See you again. Oh, see you soon. Good luck.